With the explosion in the adoption and consumption of cloud services for business, it's no surprise that cloud-based networking services are becoming increasingly mainstream. Cloud-based networking services such as Cisco Meraki technology require a service assurance layer just as any other cloud service does. Cloud service providers often rely upon and recommend third-party services for data backup and restoration in the event of a service failure or indeed a malicious attack. Cloud-based networking is no different, and if deployed at scale, this can represent a high-impacting business risk. Here at CAE Labs, we've developed a business solution that provides backup and restoration services for Cisco Meraki cloud networking, removing associated business risk. Our service complements the Cisco Meraki cloud platform and provides customers with peace of mind. We call this Assure, and it's a game changer for businesses that have adopted cloud networking from Cisco. With Assure, you can increase uptime and reduce business restoration downtime from days and weeks to hours and minutes. Never miss an operational change. Through continuous protection of critical operational data, we ensure the latest recovery point is always available. Proving the disaster recovery process with your IT team by providing biannual testing and tabletop exercising. Mitigate future outages from ever occurring through ongoing service intelligence to provide additional risk removal. You'll have 24/7 access to disaster recovery expertise available for full restoration support. Bolster your service assurance layer today with cloud networking assurance. Ready to find out more? Talk to our team.